More details will be shared by Professor Edena. So on this panel here today, whom we have Dr. Ratnakar, who is the Secretary General of Federation of Asian Biotech Association, FABA, and then we have Mr. Chakravarti AVPS, whom you all know. He is the man behind the whole event. So he is the International Advisory Committee Board member for FABA, and we have Professor Edena, who just now returned back from US, and looking at his commitment, you might understand that what he wants to bring to the life sciences ecosystem. So he is the executive president of FABA. He is one of the founding member of FABA, which started in 2004 with the main mission to bridge the gap between industry and academia. Then we have Professor Samrat El Sabat, Director R&D, University of Hyderabad, one of our partner who is strongly supporting us from the beginning on. Then we have Professor Bindu Madhav Reddy from University of Hyderabad, also a core team member in organizing the meetings. Now I will hand over to Professor Edena, who will speak more about the events, what we are doing.
I was mentioning the Federation of Asian Biotech Association, a non-profit organization that we launched in 2004, mainly to promote academy of industry interactions and provide a platform for sharing of the knowledge and technologies. Federation of Asian Biotech Associations, we have been organizing workshops, conferences and seminars of interest to the academy as well as to the industry. And one of the flagship events that you're all aware is the BioAsia, which was launched almost 2 decades back and is happening in Hyderabad for the past 2 decades in Hyderabad in February in HICC. And I'm sure you might have attended this year's BioAsia also. So it has become a global bio-business forum, which was started by FABA, and now the government of Telangana, earlier government of Andhra Pradesh, has come forward and in fact taken this as a flagship event, specifically in the area of life sciences, and it is growing leaps and bounds every year. And in addition to that, FABA has been organizing various events in skill development activities, in promoting startup ecosystem, in promoting academy and industry interactions at different time points in different locations. So this year what we thought was let us have a FABA innovation system. Innovation Summit, one event where this will be a flagship event that will recur every year from now onwards. And this FABA Innovation Summit will have the Drug Discovery and Development Workshop, as Jagdish was pointing out, which we are organizing in association with Science Gurus, a non-profit organization based in California, and University of Hyderabad. This is the 5th edition that we are conducting in association with Science Gurus on drug discovery and development. This drug discovery and development workshop was just inaugurated by our Vice Chancellor on 3rd August, and it will run up to 16th August. And so this covers the entire spectrum of starting from the academic institutions where the discoveries will be taking place, and then preclinical development by various CROs that are involved, and then the various big pharma or biotech companies come forward and then take it forward to the next development stage. So all these spectrum of events that are associated with drug discovery and development are being covered, and it will run up to 16th of August. So this is followed by the whale tank event, which we have launched earlier also, but this is immediately follows after the drug discovery and development. And whale tank event is a platform for promising startups to the venture financing system. So the startup ecosystem is growing like anything in terms of so thanks to the support that was given by the government of India and many other state governments, there is a large number of incubation centers which are set up in academic institutions. And today there are about 2,000 incubation centers, and out of that, 460 are in life sciences itself. And these incubation centers are distributed across the country. And I'm happy to share that Telangana, that is Hyderabad, has the largest number of life science incubation centers located. This is followed by Bangalore, then the Delhi, then a number of other Chennai and other centers. But there are 26 life sciences incubation centers in Hyderabad and 21 in Bangalore and 19 in Delhi, like that. So this shows the innovation that is happening in Hyderabad. And so as part of this, we have selected the most promising startup companies and then showcasing them to investors. A number of venture capital organizations around the world are in fact attending this whale tank event, and wherein they will go through these startups and then see what is happening is with the support from the government of India, the support from their friends and relatives of their own money, a large number of startups have come into the established, and they are okay to a particular level, but the next level of innovation requires much more funding than what they are getting, and that is the gap that is existing in the country. Any innovation that is taking place from the startup ecosystem, it has to go to the next level, means it requires the venture financing system. The venture financing system culture is not very well developed in India. Unlike if you see the either Bay Area, that is California area, or Boston area, or Europe, or Japan, and other leading countries, there is a very well matured venture financing system, which is not present, and that is where FABA wanted to bridge that kind of gap by bringing the VCs across the globe and then showcasing the potential startups to these VCs.
And India is among the top 12 destinations for biotechnology worldwide, this which we are talking about, the third largest destination for biotechnology in Asia Pacific. The country holds, as Professor Redena sir has told, 3 to 5% of the global biotechnology industry. We are small in number now, but with the initiatives like FABA and academia, initiatives happening all around, we are definitely go leaps and bounds in the future. Indian bioeconomy is valued at $137 billion US dollars now, and we aim to achieve around 300 billion by 2030. We are talking about the bioeconomy. Biosimilars market in India is estimated to grow at a compounded CAGR of 22%, because we are making major strides there to become 12 billion by next year, and this would represent almost 20% of the total pharmaceutical market in India. And also the biotechnology industry comprises, as you said, I need to elaborate this. Let's not confuse between just basic pharmaceuticals and the biopharmaceuticals. the bioeconomy as a whole gamut of biopharmaceuticals, bioservices. For example, we talk about innovations in agri-tech also, food and agri-tech also come in this way. And bioagriculture, as I said to you just now, the bioindustry and the bioinformatics as well. The IT, I think you know how good we are at IT in Telangana, and also how good we are at chemistry. I keep telling in several forums why we have a bright future in the, for our industry, for India and Telangana also in particular, because we have great scientists in chemistry and we have great technologists in electronics, the digital technology. Professor Sabat himself is a qualified electronics engineer, but contributing to the biotechnology. So the both the integration of the digital technology and the biotechnology is so much in the future. As Professor Redana sir gave just an example, to read a human, you don't require to do a lot of tests, okay? Just imagine a chip introduced into the body and the whole gamut of the life cycle of the human will be studied with the integration of the digital technology. So the complete the paradigm of healthcare is going to change in the future. The conventional, the traditional healthcare is going to change. We are going to have more of a personalized medicines and personalized. Prevention is more occupying than the cure. We are not going to wait till the disease comes. So we are already preventing the disease by studying. You are talking about the gene therapy and cell therapy. Just like Aadhaar card, you will have the entire gene of the human will be studied, and you will be assessed in the next 10 years what you are going to get, what kind of diseases you might have to get in the future. So that will be preempted. So the life sciences is completely changing. The healthcare gamut is completely changing. Now we are talking about that more on the biotechnology. As I already told. We have a market size of Indian pharmaceutical industry. We are talking about the biosimilars market also in the future is going to evolve in the future. And what we are talking about the contribution of the FABA and the HCO together, Hyderabad Central University. The Professor Redana has already briefed you. The three whale tank, you must be wondering what is the whale tank. You all know the Shark Tank. We keep seeing the TVs. This is much bigger than those innovations. We are very confident the kind of innovations taking place in this sphere are going to rule the business and going to rule the economy of the India and show a path to the world also. So we are very confident. Few of the innovations, I think my colleagues will explain to you also what are being showcased in the whale tank. And all over India and some from abroad also, they have come forward to showcase their innovations as startups. And
Meeting that we have launched today, it starts with the drug discovery and development workshop, mainly to showcase the developments that are taking place across the world on coming up with innovative technologies in discovery of the drugs, say at the level of academic institutions or preclinical development or clinical development that are taking place. And this is followed by this is the online event. Drug discovery and development workshop is online, and this is immediate. This is happening from 3rd to 16th August. And on 17th we have the whale tank event. The whale tank event is to showcase some of the very promising startup companies to the venture financing, venture capital companies. Today, if you see, a large number of startups have come up in the country. There are about 460 healthcare, 460 incubation centers hosting startups in life sciences. And large number of them are coming to a particular level, but getting the funding to the next level is a major problem. And in order to fill that kind of gap, we have approached the venture capital companies around the world who are ready to invest in healthcare and showcasing them the potential startups so that they will receive the funding.
Okay.
And this is followed by Life Sciences Innovation Cluster on 18th. And this is mainly to bring in country ambassadors across around the world to mainly who are willing to promote the life sciences innovation ecosystem. And in fact, that is spearheaded by Chakravarti Garu. And also we are inviting the institutional heads and industry leaders to come and discuss and explore the various possibilities of collaborating and then promoting the academy industry interactions and come up with innovative product development. It is not only the academic institutions and industries, but there are a number of enabling systems, enabling players for promoting the innovations like clinical research organizations, contract manufacturing associations, and contract research organizations. We have invited them also to come and participate in this Life Sciences Innovation Cluster meeting. And the Whale Tank event and the Innovation Cluster meeting both are happening at University of Hyderabad, the School of Life Sciences. And we have partnered with the University of Hyderabad for this two events in addition to drug discovery and development workshop. And as part of this Innovation Summit, we wanted to celebrate the innovations that have taken place, and we are honoring one such kind of innovation that has come up with in the country in collaboration with academic institutions and industries. ImmunoAct is the company which has come up, which has in fact collaborated with Laurus laboratories, and they have come up with, for the first time, the CAR T therapy for cancer treatment. And we are honoring that scientist with Dr. B.S. Bajaj Memorial FABA Excellence Award. In addition, we are also giving FABA Lifetime Achievement Award to Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, who contributed a lot, not only in the country but around the world through WHO for handling this COVID-19 system. So we are also honoring young scientists who have come up with innovative technologies with a cash prize of 5 lakhs and doctoral students who have come up with innovations with a cash prize of 2 lakhs. Natco Pharma and the Govind Venture Financing System both have contributed with the finances for these innovative systems.
మిత్రులారా, ఈరోజు మనకి ఫార్మా, బయోటెక్నాలజీ, లైఫ్ సైన్సెస్ యొక్క ఆవశ్యకత అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఫెడరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏషియన్ బయోటెక్ అసోసియేషన్స్ మన హైదరాబాద్లో స్థాపించిన అసోసియేషన్ ఒక 20 సంవత్సరాలుగా ఉంది. దీనికి ఎన్నో సేవలు అందిస్తూ ఉంది. ఈరోజు మనము మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నది ఏంటంటే ఫెడరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏషియా బయోటెక్ అసోసియేషన్స్ ఫాబా యొక్క ఇనిషియేటివ్స్. ఒకటి డ్రగ్ డిస్కవరీ వర్క్షాప్, 2 వేల్ ట్యాంక్, 3వది ఇన్నోవేషన్ సమ్మిట్. మీకు అందరికీ తెలిసినట్లుగానే మన ఇండియన్ ఫార్మా ఎంతో ముందుకు వెళ్తుంది. ఈరోజు ప్రపంచంలోనే 3rd లార్జెస్ట్ డ్రగ్ సప్లయర్గా, మోస్ట్ అఫోర్డబుల్ అండ్ మోస్ట్ ఎఫికషియస్ డ్రగ్ సప్లై చేసే దేశంగా ప్రసిద్ధి చెందడం మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు. అలాగే బయో ఎకానమీ ఈరోజు దాదాపు $150 బిలియన్ ఉంది. ఇది ఇంకా ముందుకు వెళ్ళడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. బయో ఎకానమీలో బయోటెక్నాలజీ ఉంటుంది, బయోసిమిలర్స్ ఉంటుంది, బయో అగ్రిటెక్, తర్వాత ఇన్ఫర్మేటిక్స్ ఇన్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ, ఇవన్నీ క్లస్టర్స్ ఇందులో వస్తాయి. ఇందులో వస్తున్న ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ అన్నిటిని ఒక చోట ప్రధానంగా షోకేస్ చేయడానికి ఈ డ్రగ్ డిస్కవరీ వర్క్షాప్, తర్వాత వేల్ ట్యాంక్, మీకు అందరికీ షార్క్ ట్యాంక్ తెలుసు, ఒక స్టార్టప్స్ అనమాట. హెల్త్ కేర్లో బయోటెక్నాలజీలో ఉన్న స్టార్టప్స్ని ప్రోత్సహించడానికి ఇది ఒక మంచి అవకాశము. ఇది ఫాబా యొక్క ఇనిషియేటివ్. ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా దాదాపు 120 మంది స్టార్టప్స్ వచ్చి ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళల్లో షార్ట్ లిస్ట్ చేసి ఒక 17-18 స్టార్టప్స్ ఇన్ హెల్త్ కేర్ అండ్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ షోకేస్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇది కేవలం ఈ స్టార్టప్స్ షోకేస్ చేయడమే కాదు, ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా వీసీ అంటే వెంచర్ క్యాపిటలిస్ట్ని కూడా ఆహ్వానించి ఉన్నాము. వాళ్ళు వచ్చి ఇందులో పెట్టుబడులు పెడతారు. తద్వారా ఈ చిన్న స్టార్టప్స్ పెద్ద కంపెనీలుగా ఎదగడానికి చాలా తోడ్పడుతుంది. ఇది ఒక పెద్ద ఇనిషియేటివ్ అని చెప్పవచ్చు. తర్వాత ఇన్నోవేషన్ సమ్మిట్, ఈ రంగంలో ప్రధానమైన ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ ఏమైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని ఒక చోట షోకేస్ చేసి తర్వాత ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యుఎస్ఏ, ఇండోనేషియా, థాయిలాండ్, అనేక రకమైన దేశాలు, యూకే, ఐర్లాండ్, ఫ్రాన్స్, వీళ్ళ యొక్క దేశాల ప్రతినిధులు కూడా వస్తూ ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళ యొక్క దేశాలకి మన భారతదేశానికి లైఫ్ సైన్సెస్లో అవగాహన, తర్వాత కొలాబరేషన్, ఆ ఎఫర్ట్స్ ముందుకు ఎట్లా తీసుకెళ్లాలన్నది కూడా ఈ విషయంలో చర్చిస్తారు.
హలో హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ లక్ష్మి మంచు. సో you're watching me on City Light E-News. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మెల్ల నరేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Anasuya Bharadwaj. Please subscribe to City Light E-News. Thank you.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
హలో నేను మీ రాశి సింగ్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్.
హలో గైస్, నేను మీ అశ్విని. సో సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంచి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ కంటెంట్ దొరుకుతుంది మీకైతే. సో గో అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఈ న్యూస్ సిటీ లైట్.
హాయ్, నేను శ్యామల. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.